In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Google Sheets. This integration can save you time by helping you seamlessly manage your schedule and data from your Google Sheets. Let's dive in and get started. The first step is to head over to the Google Sheets page. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After signing in, you might find yourself on the main page where your files are displayed. For this example, we'll be using a blank spreadsheet, so go ahead and click on blank to open a new sheet. Great! Now that your blank spreadsheet is ready, focus your attention on the upper menu bar. Click on Extensions. This is where we'll initiate the process of adding the necessary functionality to connect with Google Calendar. From the Extensions menu, hover over to Add-ons. This will reveal a sub-menu where you need to click on Get Add-ons. This action opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is a repository of tools and extensions you can use with Google Workspace apps. Next, navigate to the search bar at the top of the Marketplace window and type in Calendar Events Creator. This search will help you locate the specific add-on we need to enable the integration between your Google Sheets and Google Calendar. Once the search results appear, find and click on the Calendar Events Creator. A new page will show options related to this add-on, and you'll see an Install button. Click it to begin installation. You'll be prompted to review permissions. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Continue. It's important to choose the Google account that you want to link with this calendar, as this ensures that the events are synced correctly. After selecting your Google account, another prompt will ask for permissions. These permissions are required for the add-on to access your Google Calendar and Google Sheets data, allowing it to create and manage events. If you're comfortable with these permissions, go ahead and click on Allow. This final step completes the installation and integration process. Now, return to your Google Sheets document. Click on Extensions once again, and you'll notice that Calendar Events Creator is now available in your extensions list. Click on it, and a menu will appear, allowing you to start creating or setting up events directly from your Google Sheets. With this setup complete, you can now leverage the power of automation, keeping your calendars updated right from your spreadsheet. Enjoy a more organized and streamlined scheduling experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your productivity with Google Workspace.